the hardest hike I've ever done in my life.
Actually next level. What's up?
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. I'm tired, please help.
Sean just came off night shift. Trooper.
What are these called? These soy crisps? It's a beef jerky in there.
Nope.
But you'll see that if you're vegetarian, so don't worry. I'm so keen.
It is 5 to 2 and we just started the slog. And the uphill starts. Oh my god, it's hot and sweaty. We're going up staircase there. It's pretty steep. Oh, that's gorgeous. And that's where we're heading. That's crazy. Last time I was here, it was like completely covered in snow. It was like a blizzard. Couldn't see anything, and now it's just gorgeous. Like you can see the top of Bogong, and you can see Kosciuszko from here. Sick. Like actually next level. Okay, temperature has dropped significantly. We're almost just at the summit now. Unreal. My first time making it to the summit. Last time was a failed attempt. And this is just perfect conditions. Oh my god! Alright, just set up my tent and it's so cold, so I'm gonna get into my thermals and then make some dinner.
Pretty bougie actually.
Only the top shelf.
Wasn't there?
Good morning. I've just woken up, as you can tell. You can see the summit right there. Check this out. Alright, so this is my breakfast, and this is Eddie's breakfast.
Ooh, this is my breakfast.
And this is Pasco's breakfast. And this is Sean's breakfast.
Yay.
Alright, I am packed up, ready to go.
Is this the best Howman's Falls crossing? Best river crossing in Hudson Falls?
Meow,
meow, meow, meow, meow, meow, meow.
meow, 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 meow,
Meow, meow, meow, meow, meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow.
How was the river crossing?
Rough. It was bloody rough.
How was it?
Cold. Really cold.
Okay. So, did you know what hike we were doing in Pasco?
So I asked Eddie what hike we were doing, and he said, oh, we're just going to do the Bogong Figure 8 hike. And I was like, oh, cool, just. Great, awesome. Nice, easy hike for the weekend. Gonna be nice and leisurely. 53 kilometres of up and down, up and down, up and down. The hardest hike I've ever done in my life.
Oh my god. This is a slug. Eddie, how would you rate this hike so far?
10 out of 10, massive slog.
Sean? We have only covered 23 k's today. Yeah, incredibly steep down, incredibly steep back up, and now the trail is just flattened out. It's so stunning, like just absolutely unreal. What the heck? The weather is just perfect. One last water refill before getting to camp. We just made it to camp. 31 k's, 10.5 hours. Not bad. Not bad at all.
Not bad, good size.
This setup.
I get a chance to do this too, man.
Elite. Day 3, almost ready to go. Big fish wood to pack up. It's our campsite. How are we feeling this morning, team?
Very well.
Fantastic.
Look at these.
100%.
Woo! Let's go. Woo, woo, woo! Woo!
It's not wet yet.
Just had a good run down is it
Escadale.
Escadale Spur.
So good.
How fun.
Had a camper van and then it...
So what were the options?
Nothing. There's no options.
Everything's closed. I want a feed.
What has a man got to do to get a feed?
Oh.